Unveiling the secret, the charm of time-honored recipes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in your English learning journey: time-honored recipe. This phrase embodies tradition, quality, and the beauty of recipes passed down through generations. Let's explore what makes a recipe not just a set of cooking instructions, but a cherished time-honored treasure. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, time-honored. It's composed of two words that are quite descriptive on their own. Time refers to the passing of years, decades, or even centuries, while honored suggests respect, admiration, or value. Put together, time-honored means something that has been respected and valued over a long period. It's not just about being old, it's about being enduringly valued and trusted. Now, onto the word recipe. A recipe is more than just instructions for making a dish. It's a blueprint for creating culinary magic, a list that includes ingredients, quantities, and steps to follow. But beyond the technical aspects, recipes often carry stories, traditions, and personal touches, making them unique and special. When we talk about time-honored recipes, we're referring to dishes that have been passed down through generations within a family, community, or culture. These recipes are treasured for several reasons. Cultural heritage. They are a way to preserve and celebrate cultural identity and history. Consistency and quality. Being honed over time, these recipes have been perfected to ensure great taste and satisfaction. Emotional connection. They often hold sentimental value, connecting people to their ancestors, traditions, and memories. To bring this concept to life, let's look at some examples. Italian lasagna, Chinese Peking duck, and Indian biryani are all dishes that might be considered time-honored recipes in their respective cultures. Each dish carries with it stories of its origin, adaptations over time, and the personal touch of the people who make it. These recipes are not just about feeding the body but also about nurturing the soul and connecting with one's heritage. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of time-honored recipes. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the recipes that have stood the test of time, becoming more than just a method for preparing food but a cherished link to the past and a treasure for future generations. Remember, food is not just sustenance. It's a story, a tradition, and a celebration of culture. We look forward to sharing more insights and stories with you. Happy cooking, and happy learning!